Few weeks ago, I did a review on Afrinvest 2.0, an app that enables you to invest in the Nigerian stock market, treasury bill, and also commercial paper. I showed you everything you need to know about that application and how to go about using it. In today's video, I'll be showing you another application that is owned by Afrinvest called Optimus. And this app, you can invest in the US stock market, you can save your fund and get some interest, and also you can invest in mutual fund. Also, I'll be showing you how to make some cash using this application, and I'll be showing it at the end of this video. So you need to watch this video to the end to get all the benefits from this application. Trust me, this application has some amazing features that you consider using them as your investment platform. Let's go back to my screen to discover these amazing features. So when you download Optimus by Afrinvest and you open the application after creating your account, now creation of the account is very easy. All you have to do is to click the link on the description of this video and create your account. You can create it in less than 5 minutes, and it's free, 100% free. All you do, provide the information that will be required of you, and you can create your account and start investing. So after you're done creating your account, you then see something like this at your home page. Once you click on all this information, now I'll be explaining what this whole category is all about. Now, talking about the Optiflex, once we click on it, you can see that you can save some money using this platform and get 13% on your Naira investment. You can get 4% on your dollar investment. So that's what this Optiflex is all about. If you don't want to spend your money, you can save it up there, and for per annum they are going to give you this percentage of 13% on Naira investment and 4% on dollar investment. It's per annum, it's not per month, so you don't expect to save your money in 1 month and get 13%. Now the next plan you have to see there is the Optilock. Once you click on Optilock, you are getting 20% on your Naira investments and you are getting 7% on your dollar investment. So it's a bit higher than the Optiflex. So most persons recommend that you go for the Optilock because of the higher interest. So that's some things you need to know. Now the next amazing thing I can see on this platform is you can invest in the US stock market. Once you click on the US stock market, it's going to show you some information you need to know, and the amazing thing is they can invest with as low as $1 using this platform. Execution is fast and seamless. You can also see that you can invest in top stock, Nike, Amazon. You can invest in Tesla, Netflix, and the rest. Now when you click on discover a stock, you'll be seeing list of stocks down there. You can see their price. Also you can see General Electric Company, $158. You can go down to see the one you can afford and buy the stock. You can also see information about trending stock. You can see that this AMC is trending, Nikola Corporation is also trending. You can see all this stock that is trending, although some of them are in the nosedive. You can also see some of them are increasing at the moment. You can see featured list, some information you need to know. You can see the biggest mover of the stock currently. You can come down to see most traded monthly stock. You can see that Tesla is the second. You can come down to see related news that pertains the stock you want to trade or some other foreign stock out there. And one amazing thing is that the news are daily updated, they're updated frequently. You can see them 7 minutes ago, 7 minutes ago. You can see 18 minutes ago, 58 minutes ago. These are news that will help you understand the stock you want to trade. So that's that for stock. Now coming to the mutual fund, once you just click on the option for mutual fund, you'll be given the ability to invest in either Naira mutual fund or dollar mutual fund. Now if you click on Naira mutual fund, you can see that there are 3 mutual funds on Optimus by Afrinvest, and if you click on dollar mutual fund, you can also invest in mutual fund. Investing in mutual fund, you just need 1,000 Naira as a minimum you want to invest. You can invest 10,000, you can invest 5,000, any amount you want to invest using Optimus by Afrinvest. That's one good thing about the platform. So they are not telling you to invest 100,000 Naira. They're not telling you the minimum is 200,000 Naira. They're telling you the minimum for a mutual fund is 1,000 Naira. Now you can come down to the portfolio setting. Once you click on portfolio, you'll be seeing your list of portfolio. They'll be showing you what your money that is in save up, the percentage of your money that is in save up, the percentage of your money that is in investment, the percentage of your money that is in wallet. You can see for my 99.87% of my investment of my whole money is in investment. So that's one thing you also need to consider on the platform. When you click on wallet, this other tab down here, you can see the amount you have on your wallet. I'll not be clicking on that because it's not encrypted, so that you'll not see the amount of money I have in my wallet. Now the next thing I want you to know is the more section. Now coming to the more section, that's where you get lots of information. You can see personal detail, the information you put down there. You can see your bank detail. details. That's where you can change your bank account to put the account you want to withdraw your money from. You can see your payment method, you choosing a payment method, your account statement, your notification, login with biometrics, and you can show balance on dashboard. You can hide that. You can change your password, change PIN, and when you come down, you see all the information. Now this is where it gets interesting: refer and earn. Now when you refer people on this platform, you make some cash. It's not like Afrinvest 2.0 where they daily pay you for referral, but this platform, they pay you for referral. Once you refer, they give you some amount of money. Now let's see how much they give to you. Once I click on refer and earn, I'll be seeing some information. Now you can earn 1,000 naira per person you refer on this platform, and to qualify for this, you need a minimum of 2,000 naira saving plan, and you must have completed your KYC. Once you click on share referral link, you can start referring people, and you must have done your KYC and also have invested minimum of 2,000 naira and can start earning. I've seen somebody that got close to 900,000 naira investing people using Optimus. Since Optimus does not charge a big amount on withdrawal fee and the rest of them, you can also recommend this platform. People can use it to invest and make some cash. I've been receiving some commission on this application, and you too can also receive some commission on this application. All you have to do is to click the link in the description of this video, sign up and start investing. If you have any question as regards the sign up, I'm there in the comment section to help you answer all your questions. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you want more content like this. See you on the next one. Peace.